Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Shein haul, but this is like a Shein haul分享, like a mini. You've got like beauty appliances, you've got home decor, you've got all the good girly things. Like this is a aesthetic for the girls, like those cute Instagram reels where girls are talking about, you know, products that will make your life better. This is the video because I've got a lot of items that I want to share with you guys that are really cute and like I personally really like as well. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video and I'll have everything linked in the down bar. It's not sponsored at all, so let's just go ahead and get into it. First item that I wanted to share with you guys is this little bathroom organizer. So it just looks like this. The lighting is very like blue today, which honestly I really like. So the color might not be the best, guys, but we'll just pretend that this is light pink and not white. It's looking white in the video, but it's actually a really beautiful, oh there we go, light pink color, gorgeous bathroom bathroom organizer. So you can literally put anything you want in here. So like all the normal bathroom stuff like Q-tips, cotton balls, cotton rounds, cotton pads. That's pretty much all I can think about. I don't know, makeup sponge, like whatever you want you can fit in here. You know, hair ties, that's really cute, little hair clips, and then you can put like cotton rounds and Q-tips on the other side, and it's perfect. And you have everything organized, and it's in this like little like vanity thing. Like it just looks like a vanity, you know what I mean? Like it looks like a little drawer situation, miniature version for your bathroom. And I just love how the bottom of it is also like rose gold. If you can see, it's so cute. It's like coquette girlies for the girls. I love it. And so this is perfect for me because, you know, I have just like my cotton rounds like in just a regular plastic container, which is not the cutest. So now we can upgrade it. So here we are. Also, side note, look at how cute my phone case is. It's leopard print. Balvin kitty. This little like gua sha basically just looks like this, and 陶瓷那种感觉, a little comb, and this is perfect for like gua sha. It's a Asian like detoxing, getting your blood flowing kind of technique that originated in Asia. There's like the kind of traditional gua sha, you know, little piece. But there's also like these ones where it kind of looks like a comb, and there's like the sides of it are a little bit bigger, and you use that to really kind of massage your temples, the points that, you know, usually do with gua sha, and you add a little bit of like face oil, essential oil, and you just go at it with this product, and it's great. And you can also do like a head massage with it because it's a comb, and there's also like the points on there, which is bigger, rounder, and you can kind of put it on the pressure points. I'm not usually like a gua sha girly, trying to get into it because I feel like debloating and just getting the blood flowing in all these areas is beneficial. So I'll look into it a little bit more, but if you guys have any tips, let me know. Next item, guys, is this little makeup bag, and I just wanted to share with you guys this because I actually got one from Taobao as well a long time ago, but it's pretty much the exact same, where it has like the two sides, like it has like the two little pockets there. You've got the pocket in the middle, you've got another pocket there. So I like how it's separated. Very big. Like you really can spread all your makeup products in this makeup bag. When you close it, it's actually very small. Like it's just, what is this, a rectangular prism? And if you travel with it, it takes up so little room in your luggage because you know, despite it being able to hold so much, when it folds together, it's just like this little cylinder. Look at my geometry, love that for me. But yeah, it's pretty cute. And I like how there's like the little separation pockets. So that basically, you know, you can put your eyelash glue, mascara, you can put concealer, eyeliner, like all the liquid products that, you know, you're scared to kind of like, just in case it explodes or whatever, like it explodes in the bag rather than the entire makeup bag, if you know what I mean. Like it only explodes in a certain compartment. So that's usually what I do. I like to put like all my liquid products in the middle, and then, you know, powders on the side. In the little compartments there, you can put your makeup sponges, tweezers. I don't use Meitong, but you know, if you wear colored contacts, you can slot them in there. Falsies, lip products, like all the good stuff. And it's very thin, so again, when you travel with it, it does not take up space at all. It really does maximize space for you. Hair curler, because I just wanted to try it out, and it's actually like so professional, like this little box filled with items. So essentially you have your glove to kind of protect your hands from the heat, because I don't know girls, but we've all been there, right? Like I definitely have touched like a hot heat tool when it's like in full form, like when it's really hot, touched it, not a fun time. So definitely important for the brand to equip you with some gloves. And then you have the curling wand. Looks like this, pretty legit, you know, black and the rose gold or pink. You've got 3 different kind of wands that you can use. So this is a really small one, which it's probably great for like really bouncy tight curls. This one is pretty nice. It's like pretty standard, looks like the types of curls that I would do. And then this is for like big waves, and I'm honestly very, very excited to try all of these out, because as much as I love straight hair, like I go through phases, I love curly hair as well. Like on my long black hair, when it's curled, it's really nice, really cute. I had a phase during the summer. Now I'm in my straight hair era, and I usually just go back and forth. And yeah, I feel like all the girlies are the same, and I'm really excited to try these out. I feel like I'm gonna be leaning towards these 2 just because these seem more natural, bigger waves, and that's kind of what I like. The smaller one, I mean, hey, like it's nice to have, right? So if you guys want a very universal heat curling or hair curling tool, definitely check this out. Okay, this is the next makeup bag, guys. It just looks like this. I also have this as well from Taobao, but you know, you can get this on Shein as well. It's just a pink, oh my god, I actually love this one. This one is like for the pro girly, for the pro makeup girlies, makeup artist, MUA, like you are really into makeup, or honestly just makeup addicts, and like that's me, okay? It just looks so professional. Like, you know, when you like go to a photo shoot and the MUA has this set up, like that is what we're trying to go for here. The top, you know, you put all your brushes here. You've got a little compartment in the back where you can slide some eyeshadow palettes. And then in the front here, you have like a lot of different compartments, you know, for eyeshadows, blushes, powders. And then on the longer side here, you can add like mascara, eyeliner, lash glue, brow pencil, concealers, like all of that. So again, this is great for if you're traveling. So yeah, recently I've been using like the softer makeup bag, but I love having this one because it just makes me feel more at ease knowing that I'm able to carry so many products with me. I love both of them. It's like the best format of makeup bag possible, and highly recommend. All right, so the last item that I wanted to share with you guys, I'm really excited about already, and I already have it built and set up. So it's just this little tray, guys. Also, like, first of all, it's a darker gray, which I usually get, you know, clear acrylics. I feel like that's the type of like vibe that I have been going for. But now that I have this gray, darker acrylic organizer, I'm like, it's actually so nice and vibey. It's like this nice gunmetal gray and a really great acrylic. It's got like the little line design, like whatever. And it's actually so great for storage as well, for your bathroom, for your makeup vanity, your dresser. It has this little spinning situation as well. So I can just envision, you know, some perfumes. You can put your makeup brushes as well. You can also put, you know, eyeliners, like thinner eye products or whatever. Just so universal, guys. And then, yeah, in the middle, you can put your makeup brushes, like so cute, and you can make it look really nice. Like you can put some skincare products here, you can put some hair care products, some hair oils, Olaplex, you know, just like over here. Like aesthetic, guys. Cute aesthetic, clean girl aesthetic, organized girl aesthetic. We are here for the organized girl aesthetic, and I'm actually really excited about this. Like this one I think I'm most excited about, just because I can really envision how universal I can kind of sort out my stuff, make it look nice, but also in an organized way, and that's just really amazing. All right, guys, that is pretty much all I have to show you in this video. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. And I also have all of these items in the description as well. If you guys are into them and want to check them out, those are there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love a good home decor video. I love organization and stuff like that. Like it's so fun for me, therapeutic, but also it just makes you happier and gives you a hit of dopamine when you're surrounded by all the cute home organization. Like making your space cute and cozy is just so amazing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely be filming more videos like this in the future. Love a good home decor, love a good aesthetic. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.